Hello everybody, I hope you guys are doing great. Today we are here at F9 Park. You're watching the show Just Asking. I'm your host Zain Ali Salari. We got a couple of interesting questions. Let me ask you first. Imagine if you could restart your life or go back and try something totally different. We've got the ticket, we are moving in. We are here at Fuse. Islamabad is looking colorful today. I'll walk you through the entire environment right here and I'm sure you will love it. What's your name?
Sahara Ali.
Abdullah Qasim.
Mahin.
What did you do?
I am a data analyst.
Data analyst. You must be making huge money, huh?
Behavior therapist. I'm basically a child psychologist. These are just some of my creations. I've just started my jewelry business. Before this, I was doing my clothing line.
I'm studying software engineering.
Software engineering. And what's this all about?
This is our organization, Exploration Cosmos to Classroom. We teach children about
Children.
astronomy.
If you could restart your life, what would you change?
I won't be, I think,
not be so much worried about studies. That's my
You
life.
would go as the life flows.
Yeah. No, I just not worry too much.
I won't change anything.
Nothing?
Nothing. Alhamdulillah.
Not supporting Pakistan cricket.
Not supporting Pakistan cricket?
Too much depression.
You are disappointed by the team's work?
I won't change anything because whatever has happened it has gained me some kind of exposure, experience
Growth
in
and
it.
all of
Yes,
that.
yes. I basically overshare stuff, so I'll just work on
Oh.
that. Yeah.
Even if some things went wrong, there were lessons for me, so I will.
There were lessons and they polished you the way you
I
are.
am who I am because of it.
Nothing,
Nothing?
nothing, not at all, not one single thing. Chain of events took me here, so if even one of them are missing, I wouldn't be here.
I'm not entirely sure if I would want to change things because I'm happy where I'm at right now. These things shape you and teach you.
I would like to study more because I got married really early in life.
Change my university life.
University life?
Yes.
I did some wrong decisions in my life. I usually used to listen other people's.
Others' opinion?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
You're not changing anything.
No,
you
I
are
have
just
no
embracing
regrets. I
everything.
embrace
no
whatever.
regrets. Zero.
No regrets.
Nothing.
Nothing.
The thing that the person I am right now, it is just because of my experience.
I would change nothing.
Yeah.
I would change nothing. I have a perfect life, I guess.
Perfect life.
Yes.
That's the first narrative I have about perfect life.
I would never trade my life with anyone's life in the world.
If you could skip one thing from your daily routine, what would it be?
Going to office.
Going to office? You want to skip it?
It's just about sleep, yeah.
Going to university.
Then where will you get the degree from?
Online.
Online. That's the solution nowadays.
I think it's oversleeping.
You sleep a lot?
I sleep a lot.
How much?
I
How many hours?
maybe it's around 12 hours or 11 hours.
12 hours a day and then you managing your business.
Alhamdulillah.
Procrastination.
Procrastinating,
Procrastination.
Procrastination. Everybody is saying procrastination.
less scrolling, more discipline.
To stop doing it, right?
I am trying my best.
Yeah.
I think it would definitely be waking up early every day for school.
Laziness.
Laziness?
Yes.
Why so lazy? Huh?
I am not lazy basically nowadays. I don't know why, but I am feeling.
You are
too
feeling
much
not
lazy.
yourself?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I think so. Going 9 to 5 in the clinic. I would want
Yeah, you don't want to go that.
No.
Mobile using.
Mobile
Using
using?
my social medias and mobile.
How many hours do you use?
7 to 8.
7 to 8? That's a big one.
I think distractions, social media distractions. I need to be more focused. I need to be
focused.
more innovative. I
That
can
discipline
be.
is
Yes.
My laziness.
Yeah. Living a perfect life, but you're lazy as well.
Yes.
Guys, look at this lovely skyline behind me. It's amazing. Islamabad is truly a colorful city today. If you could replace your life with someone, who would it be?
One of my team lead.
If I could replace my life with someone,
Who would it be?
No, I won't.
No, you want to live your life?
Yeah, I'm living my
That's
life.
the
Alhamdulillah.
person I want.
I'm living my
And I
life.
love this take.
I would be a famous Hollywood actor.
So name anyone.
Matthew McConaughey.
Matthew.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Nobody,
Nobody.
nobody. Yeah.
Then there could be somebody.
No,
His discipline, his ethics, and
Disciplines and work
His car
ethics.
collection.
His car collection. You love it, right?
Yes,
What's your dream car?
my dream car. It's a Mustang 1960.
I think the uniqueness that you have, everybody has their
Everyone is
individuality.
unique.
So you should live individually and accept your
Embrace
reality.
yourself.
Embrace yourself.
No, I'm not an envious person.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm not. I used to be. It took me a while, but it has been a while as well since I haven't been an envious
So you
person.
love your entire personality now, and you would want to be you.
Yeah,
I think it would be my daughter because she has a very relaxed life, no worry about anything, just school, sleep, food, and her iPad. So I
Yeah.
think that life is way better than ours.
No one.
No one.
Nah.
You love your life?
Yes.
That's good take, huh?
I think everyone has something to offer. And just because you see the good part of everyone else's life, that part they're portraying, doesn't mean everything is rainbow and sunshine. And
Yeah, that's a good thing.
you don't know what everyone else is going through. You just see the good side,
Uh-huh.
right?
Some of my friends.
Some of your friends, you would want to replace your life with them?
Friends, yes. I think so. My mother, I would really want to feel what she feels. You know, having the three of us in the house.
Yeah,
You know,
you
and
must be
whatever she's
teasing
done,
it.
what done for us.
Yeah.
I really want to, put
You want
myself
to
in
put
her shoes
yourself in
and
that
see.
situation.
Yes.
And see what she feels when
Yeah.
you guys are around.
Yes.
That's good, man. Your mother must be a proud mother, man.
Yes.
I think no one because
No one.
every single person is for my lessons. And good person is for my willpower, for my strength. And if someone is really bad and not of my type, they are for my lessons.
Lessons in the teachings.
Actually, I have might be you have come across the name of Mad Mia. It is an Australian brand.
Oh.
She gave me an inspiration on daily basis. How to bring the fun, how to bring the fun in kids' life. So my name is Rabia. So from her name, I got the inspiration Mad Bia.
Mad
So
Bia.
madness in Rabia's collection.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
No one.
No one.
It's a clear and strict on that.
Yes, absolutely.
No one.
No one.
Alhamdulillah, what I'm doing right now, I am satisfied. I'm very happy.
But, thank you so much. That's a lovely thing. Whatever you're doing, if you're happy doing that,
Thoroughly loving it, and I am really enjoying my passion.
so proud to see you and happy for all of this that you have been doing.
Thank you so
Inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much, Miss. I was also volunteer with Risk in Karachi. It's a lovely platform for donations. Do drop yours. Thank you.
My Instagram is zahraali.k, so do follow.
ZaraAli.k. पहले तो मैं खुद फॉलो करूंगा फिर बाकी आएगा.
Ali, A-L-Y.
ALY.k.